Guys, this next headliner has come all the way from London. And to come all the way from London, that's a 2.5 hour trip, maybe 3 hour trip. So that person has come down today to perform for you guys. So I want you lot to make some noise, yes, for Mr. Aaron J.
Good evening, Birmingham. How are you doing? See, I've come a long way from London, but pleased to be here. Just before I get started, so my social is Aaron James Poet. And also along with being a poet and just the work I do, I'm also a children's author as well. So I write a lot of children's books, thank you. So one of them here, if I don't get my homework, I've got a few copies. If anyone's interested, let me know. I had to change my shoes before I started. The last one's lost grip because of the grafting. You see, I put in so much work and still ain't even started. I had to break heart so he could put his art in. Because if you break heart, you have to put he and art in. You see, the vision ain't changed, we still thinking. That pen working overtime, we still inking. It's pen with a purpose. You ever heard of the notion? Out of controlled thoughts, which have controlled emotion. See, I've already told you about my dreams and ambitions. They sit on top of more dreams and ambitions. Because we so badly want to make a living out of work. I'm just trying to make a living out of living. Please be careful every move that you make, because if your shoebox ain't got shoes in it, you're a suspect to the jakes. I mean, everybody wants to be a top boy, but how can he? Even that king can get taken off that balcony. R.I.P. Martin. But for me, that's where it started. He showed us first, be prepared to put your heart in. I was once told I might have to work harder because I'm dark skinned. Please be careful what kitchen you put your nose in, because you might just get charged for all that extra roaming. Wrong circle, so we had to change from it. Nokia 3410. His first phone showed he had snakes on it. We still saying R.I.P. Grenfell. But I can only imagine what Gren felt. The government was meant to stand up, but that failed. Imagine they were nowhere to be seen when Gren fell. Noah's Ark showed me at first animals in its own world on this planet Earth, and I want to hear that bird tweet. I want to hear that lion roar. Trying to be the greatest of all time, so I won't stop until man is mentioning that goat talk. Did you hear that last line? Did you see him that last time? They said he's been killing the game. I get flashbacks to that last crime. My shoulders getting tired, asking what's ahead of me. Looked in the mirror so I could find a better me. Just for competition, I became my biggest enemy. I went from ain't having a leg to stand on to now trying to stand on my legacy. You see, the aim was to get these children hooked on a different message. I started writing children books. Beyond this dark tall mountain, make them children look, but it was actually a river of sunshine that had the children shook. You see, I can't act like we ain't got a problem. Our young kings killing each other, that ain't an option. See, I've got a common goal when it revolves around change, but it's way too late. Once his revolver take aim, walk with me. Really wish you would talk to me. Because you got two options, the cage or the grave, and that ain't what it ought to be. I told him put the knife down, because you don't want the pen. I told him write his thoughts down, but he still don't want the pen. You see, I'm selfish. It's ain't about you, it's about me. I just ain't got the courage to go home to my mother and say we lost another brother to our streets. Please. So I'm talking pretty please. Because you think it's a game and you're honoured. So when your boy gives you that Call of Duty, you got a fortnight to respond with your Metal Gear Solid. Now I'm bothered. Young King, I called you by your first name. Let that sun kiss your skin like it came from your birthplace. Please don't mistake me for no activist. I'm just purely trying to show you what being active is, Aaron James. My pen holds more scars than my body does. I'm still trying to figure out what the body does. Oh, it's amazing when you find your home, cornerstone. My life tells more stories than a wall of stones. Borderlines, I stepped through every single borderline. I started writing in circles, I got bored of lines. Because you know how the story goes, young, black, gifted, everybody in the story knows. But time managed. Them gang signs don't mean nothing to someone that speaks sign language. I'm a life addict, gifted with a different pattern. This is poetry mixed with a hint of rapping. I'm that wordsmith you don't want words with. It's a beautiful contradiction to be blessed with these verses. I was raised in that Tottenham jungle, I can show you what worse is, but there's a difference. And I'm not talking about smells up in our kitchen, precision, 4 eyes, 4 eyes. That just meant I was more connected to my vision. But I can't lie, I was hurting. Mum said I was a beautiful light, so I got rid of my curtains. Now I'm certain that the content had to be correct, because no young brother am I deceiving talking about food and losing weight. He's a slim boy with no belly. What exactly is you eating? But he hated education. If only we had known first. Came into school with the same excuse like, my dog ate my homework. But I was a child once, and always taught kindness and manners, and okay, I had 3 Barbie dolls. Not because I was soft, because my action manners are gallus. I was inspired by a man. That was inspired by a man that was inspired by a woman who always had the plan. Sympathy. You can't crown his shoulders if he ain't got none. I don't expect him to carry nothing on his back if he ain't got front. Oh, it took you a second to work it out. Shoulders, back, front. Recently I've been working out. I heard lyrics spread quicker than lies. Word of mouth, and I'm trying to dispel every single rumor that you heard about. My Sikh brother said it's all about peace and learning. Once you open your eyes and seek, brother, this is just a piece of your learning. Humbled. But for a second, let me boast. I write books, I kill mics. I do both. Oh, he nice with it. Oh, he great with it. He good with words and words. He Aaron James with it. Inspired by the greatness. I had pen pals before sending letters to Asia. Invasion. My wrist almost broke from overworking them pages. I got honey trapped by a microphone. She set me up for these stages. But now it's blatant. I always had faith, never in silence, but since I gave Jesus the wheel, I got rid of my license. Now it's creative words in a unique way, telling the same story as what a canvas would say. And I've never stepped foot in that art class, yet I found this pen that I see as my art brush. Aaron James. So yeah, Aaron James Poet, Instagram, let's keep it going. They say art reflects life, then God's word reflects truth. I had that tie around my neck like it was noose, then became loose, then pen met paper, and seed became fruit. I tried to take a picture of the moment while thinking of a caption. Caption this, I missed the moment because I was too busy taking a picture. See, this was more than just working part-time. This was 2 ingredients, part work and part-time. I tried to separate the two like a part-time, but it left me stressed, fatigued, and feeling part-tired. I had to slow down for a second. Imagine the voice of truth can't come with the voice of the weapon. Because we've all got our own internal battles, so I started having fun with words, call me Mr. Scrabble. You know, breaks from the gram so I could do more and see less, because play comes after the work. I love watching Recess. But now it's a different mission. Started cooking with so much heat, I changed my gloves into oven mittens. They said, measure twice and cut once. That was the hardest part. I went from Aaron James to Aaron Carpenter. Let me speak on it. This world, I'm trying to sound it out. Let me teach phonics. God's grace, I could preach on it. Because the gift was designed to be used. But I was on the couch, always ready to sleep on it. Apologies if I seem honest. Apologies if I seem stressed. Just trying to stitch these words together, like a seamstress. See, this was a part of my prediction. I don't know if I've solved a problem or just changed my addiction. Confidence, I had to grow it. Sometimes I used to stand on stage and feel as if I didn't deserve the title of poet. Imagine that. Not feeling comfortable in your habitat. They said Aaron's got an old soul and a young heart, is it true? I said, of course, I still watch cartoons or wear my granddaddy's shoes. You see, me and my brother, we've grown up, we've made more changes. We used to fight over sweets, we loved them jawbreakers. But now running through my brain, there's more thoughts and more phrases. This is dojo work, core training. Whether I'm standing on a theatre stage or on poor pavements, this is Aaron James with a raw statement. Thank you. Last piece, and then you hopefully I can still chill out for a bit more, but as you know, I'm from London, so some of them trains are moving a bit funny. So unless they're not going to house me for the evening, I think I'm going to have to, make sure I catch a train home. But here we go. And so this last piece, actually, just to quickly say how, I don't know, with it being, I guess, Black History Month, just been thinking about the importance of just creativity and being able to express, right? And I guess this piece is written off the back of that. And even like coming here today, never performed here, but seeing familiar faces, do you know what I mean? Like Me and True go way back. Calm, he's on one of my videos, like Daniel's brother Matt, we used to work together many years, do you know what I mean? So it's we're a community, whether it's London to Birmingham, wherever, we're here, do you know what I mean? So thank you for having me. Let us rejoice in the fact that our voices were designed to be used. Echoes from the past ring out in culture stronger than any sea under duress. We shall not rest, not while there is breath in our lungs and work to be done and we are still rich from hunger and present. We are not to be told but shown. Developed by the minds that conquered before us, the ones that stepped, sang, wrote, the ones that said art be your voice. You see, your walk is unique, but your footprints sit in the path designed by those that journeyed before you. Not alone is the mantra, the motto, the thought process. We are fortunate beings as we live in a time where the hardest season came before, although still to come is a season we shall not be able to overcome with just spice, but rather fight for the right, because words are more than words when they were born in a heart that knows. We wait for the sunshine that battles through the snow due to the fallen leaves and continuous rain stained are the eyes that have seen pain. But we move, we live, we tell truth through our art and we sing through the stories we paint. And don't ask what's at my base, this is love, hope and a firm foundation of faith. This is art, this is truth wrapped up in a blanket of love. This is me, this is poetry, this is my pen with a purpose. Thank you for having me, Aaron James. As I said, Aaron James Poe on Instagram. As I said, you can find out more about the books I write. I'm about to release my next one. I'm about to release my first children's book, hopefully early next year. So yeah, just find out more about me and stay in touch. Much love. Thank you.